Hey guys, it's Jarson. Well, it's Jarson, guys, but it's not Jarson no more. It's AX set Groove Sparks. I'm playing freaking Animal Company today.
I have multiple. I only
Free
have
tablet.
one.
Can I have one? Can I have one? Can I have one? Can I have one?
Wait, no. But that's not actually jumping. That's also like kind of like my
on the wrong side.
Hello?
Hey, that's my friend. That's my friend.
oh.
Hey, he's my friend. He's good.
I have
Go
100.
offline.
I have 100.
Go offline. Go offline. Go offline. Go offline.
Go offline so no one joins you.
Yeah.
How do I do?
But you don't even got friends. Did you just install the game? Did you just install the game?
Yeah, I don't think I have any friends. How do I
Yeah,
check out I have
you-
friends?
yeah,
How do I
no, no.
friends?
It
I'll
says
add
right
you,
here. It
I'll
says
add you.
friend. You have friends?
I'll add you.
Here, I will add you
Steps.
too. Green. Even if I have you on Oculus, who cares? I'll add you too. I'm gonna
I'll
add
add
Gray
you
too.
too.
Hey,
I'll add you
okay,
too.
I got. How do you
go.
change your color code?
Come
Um,
here. Go
I'm
over
gonna follow
here.
this guy because
Come,
You're a
follow
dog.
him. Follow
you're
Gray.
lucky. I want the dog.
It's
Okay.
$20. It's $20. If you got $20 on the Quest 2, you could buy it.
Alright,
No.
so wanna come over here? You're gonna see color. You're gonna press on color. And then you just spin these around. Like
And then
until
when you like your color, click this button
Just
and it
press
says
spawn.
spawn.
and
Yeah.
hold the spawn. Hold the spawn. Hold it.
Oh,
You have to hold
okay.
it.
Wait.
If you like the color, just click spawn.
Like hold spawn.
Yeah, hold spawn, not click it. I keep on saying hold. No. Okay, I'm gonna start duping more. Alright.
Spawn.
Let me get closer to this machine because I'm gonna start
Ah!
duping. Here, start picking up this stuff over here. Can somebody save my key card thing you gave me?
Woo,
Yeah.
what is this? It's a map.
You're black, of course you're black, you little blackie. Okay, I'm
What is
gonna come back.
this?
Do not touch the bag. Don't touch the bag. I'm duping.
Don't touch your
to
bag.
give you
It's
guys
gonna
money.
be duping.
Oh,
trying to give
didn't
you guys
do
money.
it. Oh, can I see that? Oh, what is that? Is that a thing? It's
You
a
want
fan.
it? You can have it. You can have it. You can have it. You can have it. You can have it.
How do I work
Press B on your controller.
it? Whoa. That's
Stand
pretty cool.
ready for my
This is pretty cool.
you can have it if you want. I have a lot. I have like one.
See, did he leave? Oh. That's on my back. Okay. Stash.
Yeah, it's on.
Let me go to my stash and then
Just
kick these
grab it
bags out. Kick
Go.
these bags out.
Alright. Then okay, wait.
Oh.
You can hold 3, right? I know that
No,
you can do.
yeah, no, I'm duping inside the sewing machine. No, inside the thing. You're gonna see. I have the only stuff I have in here is one crate, one bag of the crate, and all my OG backpacks. I only have 3 OG backpacks in there, and you're gonna see me take out every single bag I have.
Alright, but. Hey, Black.
Yeah.
Come here.
Weapons.
Take that. Take that. Take that.
The candy bar. What the?
Take them all. Okay. No,
And
you
let
can
me
do.
let me take out the bags.
Okay, look at this.
1, 2, 3.
Ow.
Wait, don't use the ray gun. Don't use the ray gun. It's gonna blow all the bags out.
Hey,
I won't.
should
It wasn't
I do it?
No,
You can't.
even
You
shoot
can't kill me in safe zone. We're in safe
Come
zone.
here. Come here. Ow! Stop.
Oh, I'm out of weapon. I'm out of ammo.
Okay, I'll buy you some.
I'm good now. I'm good. I got 2 bullets left, I
Huh?
think. Yeah, I got 2 bullets
Alright.
left.
Oh, sure.
I am baked. I'm baked. Yo, I'm baked.
Stuff.
I was actually
Go get-
cooked.
Go get your stuff.
I just want this. Okay. I need.
Alright, I'll buy you some ammo.
Yo, wait.
Hey, catch it.
Yo. I get this for
Catch.
free. I got it for free.
Hey, here. Put it in. Grab it with that hand. And put it in. Press B. Press B.
Hey, push this
And
stuff
Press
out.
B again.
Move this stuff out
What
of here.
the- Alright.
Guys, Gray, look at this. Gray, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Holy.
Look at that
Huh?
thing. Look, watch this.
Oh my
Wait.
gosh. Oh
It's
my
more-
gosh.
More coming out.
Oh my, how many slots do you have, bro? Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
My lord,
Go
bro.
ahead. We about to get money.
You wanna sell
These are
this?
all
You
lava
wanna sell
crystals. Yeah, start selling.
Oh wait, I can sell this stuff?
Yeah, sell it.
Ugh, I cannot even move, bro. I think
How do
we
I
need
sell
yeah, we need a rocket. Just follow. Just wait. Come, I'll buy you a rocket so we can go there. Right here.
Hit one on your back. Hit one on your back. Take the fan off. Take the fan off.
Okay, yo.
Oh my gosh, bro, we're about to get 1 mil, bro. Nice. Okay.
Keep 3 bags.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we can't sell them all at the same time before we're gonna glitch everything out.
Uh,
Wait, why are you dumping it? Why are you
don't-
dumping the
don't dump
bag?
it, don't dump it,
Why are
don't
you
dump
dumping it? You're dumping everything. Here, drop the bag, drop the bag, drop the bag, drop the bag, please. Drop the bag. You have to push
Trying.
B, push B, push B, push B. Oh my god. It's not that hard to drop a bag.
Yes, it is.
Coming back, I'm coming back.
Oh, it's that bag. Here, pass me, pass me, pass me, pass me, pass me this
No,
bag.
it was only one
Pass
for
me
this bag.
Here, pass me, can you... Jesus,
How do I-
Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Here, can you pass me the bag, Black? Black, pass me the bag. Pass me the bag. Pass me the bag, drop it!
I'm trying. Drop it. Drop. I'm good.
Ayo, Black, I wanna tell you something. I wanna tell you something so bad. You're an idiot!
Thank
Yeah, not gonna lie though.
I have.
Yeah, I'm just saying you suck. You suck.
I have so much money.
I
Yeah,
got
me
more
too.
money than you. I have a mill.
I have like 300k.
Why am I going so slow? Why am I going so slow?
Cause you have a bag on your backpack, you stupid idiot.
You're heavy, bro. You're heavy.
Am I that
means you're
fat?
heavy.
No, do not sell yet. Don't sell yet. Don't sell yet.
I know. I'm trying to get this up. Don't sell, bro. Don't drop it.
Don't open the backpack. Do not open the backpack.
I'm not.
Well,
Help me.
Bro, you open the bag.
Help me.
Here, drop the bag. Drop the bag. Drop the bag. You don't have.
Yo,
the
we need at
key
least
phone.
3 of them. We need 3 of them. Okay, no one sell anymore because Black. He needs 3 more. He needs 3, so we can do. How much money?
I just
Oh,
gained like
no.
50k, like a little less than 50k, bro.
I just got like 100k. Nice.
Don't touch those bags. Don't touch those
Don't
bags.
touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Do
don't
not
touch it.
touch the bags.
Can I get the
We're
fan?
gonna
You
do
make
more.
me-
We're gonna do more.
Yeah. When I give you the fan, right? Wait. Don't touch anything. Do not even touch anything.
look.
Don't touch
Hey,
anything.
look. Hey.
Black. Just
Hey,
let me and
Black.
Gray do it.
Hey, Black.
Let
Hey,
me and
Black,
Gray
wanna
do
see
it.
something cool?
Oh yeah.
Hey, Black.
Black.
Hey, Black.
Go show him.
No.
Hey, Black.
Go to him and kill him.
No.
Go to him
Black.
and kill him.
Black. Do not sell that. Do not sell the fan. It's
Why?
priceless. It's priceless. So watch this. Watch this.
I want to sell it.
Watch this.
I want to sell it. You're so, dude. I want to sell it. I want to sell it. I need $100,000.
I have $1 million.
I'm richer than you. How much is this worth? How much can I sell this for?
$0. So much, right? Hey, watch it. So, hey,
Whatever.
Black. Bro, the fan sells for nothing, bro. The fan sells for
Yes,
nothing.
it does. Yes, it does.
Yo, Black. Hey, Black, watch this. Hey, Black,
What?
watch this.
What?
Watch. Watch.
Watching. Watching. Watching.
Oh, you're not, bro. Oh my god. I told you it sells for nothing.
$35.
That's nothing.
That's nothing. That's
Give me
nothing.
nothing.
Nothing. How much is this guy?
Oh, this guy? He's free.
Wait, what about this?
He's free.
How do I get him?
He's free. Come here. Go over here.
Oh, holy God!
Tyson,
My
you
Lord!
see?
My Lord!
Oh my god. Okay. Come over here. Come over here. Okay. Click on
green
frog. And then type in happy holidays. Happy space holidays. There you go. Then press enter. Then you should
how do you
see
spell
coins
holidays?
flying out. Alexa, how do you spell holidays? HOLIDAYS. Did you get that? Oh my gosh.
Okay, wait. HOLI days.
Now press this. Press the blue button. Okay, now come here. You got it. You got it. You got it. If you see coins flying out the machine, that means you got it. Come over here. Go over to scroll down so you see outfit. You see the green. Scroll down until you see green elf. Click on that. Then press spawn. Click,
I want
hold
this guy.
spawn.
I want this guy.
You can't. You have to pay money. Real money.
It's $10. That's not bad.
Oh my gosh.
Woo! Oh my God! I like good. Wait. Let me go to Kali.
Oh, you got it.
I'm going to
Yeah, do you want to sell? Hey, do you want to sell? Do you want to sell these? Okay, let's sell. Do you want to sell? Alright. Let's sell.
Can I get a rocket launcher? Can I get that, bro? Thank you.
Get fat, boy.
Oh,
Don't forget that. Do not open it. And save 3, okay? Save 3.
okay. Can we click the buttons now? Thank you.
Oh, wait. I
Getting
got
a bit expensive. Let's see how much money we all get. I only got 20,000.
I got 60,000. Bro.
You did not get 60K. Wait.
Okay.
Oh, why is it spinning? It's spinning. It's spinning.
It's spinning. That's crazy. Take
Give me
this.
one. Hurry. Oh my god.
I'm a fatso.
We're fatzos.
With a fatso.
Wait. Help me. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
Let's
so
pass it.
fat. I'm so fat.
It's so funny seeing you struggle, bro.
Shut up. Shut up. Sell me too! I died! I died!
Oh my, 100!
I got so much money from that. I got $90,000 just from that.
Okay, save the 3. Save it. Save it. Don't get any more. Huh? Oh, yeah, okay, but.
Wait, there's one more I can go sell. There's one more I could sell.
Yeah, come here. Press the button. Yeah. Yeah?
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm almost at 300,000. I can't hear him for some reason.
Yeah, me too.
Hey.
Oh, call. He said call. We can't hear you. Can't hear you. Oh, they're calling. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Oh my, boy, it's so slow. Oh my days.
There's 3 over there. There's 3 over there.
Black.
You just...
No.
No,
Save 3,
no,
bro.
No,
Save
it's not. There's 3. No, there's 4. There's...
I should save 3. No, save it. Okay, yeah, that's what. No, don't get any money. Don't get. Bro, what are you doing? Okay, go sell that one. Go sell that one. Save all these. Save it. Save
Okay.
this. Save this. Save this.
No, no. There's 3 though. There's 3. Take it. He cannot hear you. He can't hear you. He told me already. I'm at I started at $100 when I started this game. Guess how much I'm at right now? I don't know. I don't care. I bought 4 things in inventory.
I'm trying to get a meal, bro, today.
I'm gonna save up the rest of my money. Yeah, I'm gonna save up the rest of my money. Hello? Hello? Hello?
I can't hear you.
You're a stupid ball. Harder! Harder! Can you hear me?
Hey, Black, come here.
Okay.
Come here. Touch this. It gives you 1 million. It gives like $1,000. If you press that, press that. It gives you
I hate
$1,000.
shit. He killed me. He killed me. He killed me. Okay. I hate you. I hate you.
I'm just
I hate you.
joking.
I hate you.
I'm just joking. I'm just
I
joking.
hate you. Get away from me.
I give you a bumper. I give you a bumper.
No. No. Screw you. Ah!
Put your hand up. Wow. Okay, fine. You can kill me. You can kill me.